We've all stood there staring into an open fridge, looking at a random collection of ingredients and having absolutely no idea what to cook. Today, we are going to fix that. We are going to build a custom application that uses computer vision to scan your shelves, identify the ingredients, and generate an instant recipe in under 5 minutes. Step 1 is gathering our materials. You only need 2 things to follow along: a free Google account and a saved photograph of your groceries. We aren't going to write a single line of traditional code. We are going to build this app entirely by writing clear, structured instructions in plain English. If you open a standard chatbot and ask for a recipe, you will get a generic, unpredictable response. To program an AI to function as a dedicated, reliable software application, we have to give it a rigid set of rules to follow. We use a 5-part method called structured prompting to build the app's logic engine. First, we assign a role. Instead of a blank slate, we tell the system exactly how to behave. Act as a professional Indian fusion chef. Next, we provide the context and the task. Our context is that we will upload a photo of the inside of a refrigerator. Our task is for the AI to identify all visible ingredients and suggest 3 to 4 instant meals. Finally, we set the constraints and the format. We tell it to avoid heavy culinary jargon, and we require the output to be a clear, bulleted list paired with creative chef tips. By boxing the AI in with these 5 strict parameters, we eliminate guesswork. The system has exactly what it needs to process image data and return reliable, app-like performance without hallucinating irrelevant information. Now, let's open Google AI Studio and click the button to create a new project build. Before doing anything else, check your workspace settings and ensure you are on the free tier to prevent any unexpected cloud computing charges. Look at the main interface and locate the large text box labeled System Instructions. Take the 5-part structured prompt we just outlined, the role, context, task, constraints, and format, and paste it directly into that System Instructions box. The system reads these rules and locks into the specific persona we've defined. Test subject: a photograph showing refrigerator shelves stocked with bananas, oranges, grapes, and apples. Instantly, the computer vision scans the pixels and outputs a precise text list of every fruit it detects. Then, it pushes that data straight into our task instructions, generating a customized recipe card for a fresh pear and grape chaat based strictly on the detected inventory. To verify this wasn't a fluke, we need to stress test the application with a completely different data set. We will clear the current workspace completely. Now, upload the second test photograph. This one features entirely green vegetables, including spinach, cabbage, and broccoli. The system successfully registers the distinct shift. It correctly identifies the leafy greens without accidentally carrying over any data from the previous fruit test. Using that new list, it fulfills the final step, outputting a context-appropriate recipe for a green apple spinach paratha. Because the application handled both image sets flawlessly and returned exactly the format we requested, we know our strict 5-part prompt constraints are holding strong. In under 6 minutes, we have constructed and verified a functioning computer vision prototype from scratch. Now, let's adapt this tool. If you change the designated role from a chef to a strict nutritionist, the entire application pivots. Instead of a recipe, the output immediately generates a caloric breakdown of your fridge's contents. Swap the role again, this time to a financial budget planner. The system scans those same groceries and instantly outputs an estimated monetary value on an itemized receipt. Once you master the logic of giving structured instructions, the underlying technology works for you. You have the leverage to rapidly prototype and build custom applications tailored to your specific needs.